Okay, so let's quickly recap what are the things we have discussed today. So as a prerequisite, before we start using Tosca, we must set our browser zoom level 100%.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the controls will not be identified sometimes. So it's as a best practice, we must set this to 100% zoom level. Then browser extension. This is a must. So can someone tell me what is this CRX file?
This Chrome extension.
Yes, CRX Chrome extension. So how do we add Chrome extension? What should I do?
You can go to C drive.
No. Yeah, of course I can go. There is a path. And if I want to add the extension to this particular Chrome browser, in that case, go to settings, right? Under Chrome browser, go to settings, then go to extensions, then add your extension here, right? If it is not already available, then we can drag and drop from. What is that path? Help me with the path, please.
Go to C drive.
Okay. Right.
Program files into 86.
Yeah. Which one? Program files.
You can second one.
86.
Yes. Wonderful. Okay. Then.
Tricentis.
It is.
Wonderful. Okay. Then.
Tosca.
Of course, it's a Tosca test suite. Only one folder is there. Now you tell me.
It is Tosca commander.
T-box.
Okay, to T-box.
So, see,
Resource.
this path. In Tosca commander, we have.
Yes.
It doesn't have it. We have under T-box. Okay. Now.
Resource
folder. Search resource folder. Okay, now which file I need to select for Chrome?
Chrome extension.
It is Chrome extension.
So yeah, they might ask you the extension name also, because most of the industries are using Chrome only, Chrome browser. So it's better you know that complete extension name. Tosca Chrome automation.crx file.
Okay.
Right? This is the file I need to select. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let's close this. And different user workspace. What are the different user workspace available in Tosca?
It is standard and user defined.
Different user workspace.
Workspace is SQL, MySQL, MS SQL.
Yes, what is that actually? Okay, if I click on create new, here you can see something, right? Create new workspace.
Repository.
Right? There are two
It is standard workspace and user defined workspace.
Workspace, I'm talking about workspace. So there are two types of workspace. One is single user workspace. The remaining options is called multi-user workspace.
Yes.
That is the reason I'm asking you guys to take down the notes. Just have it. Okay. So we have single user workspace and we have multi-user workspace. Under multi-user workspace, we have so many options. Oracle, MS SQL Server. If I select MS SQL Server, I need to pass the connection string. From where I will get this connection string?
The network administrator.
Admin guys, yeah, who is managing the Tosca in that particular company, they will give. After that, I need to pass test connection, right? If it's valid, then we can go ahead and set up that. And here is that option?
No, in single user, then you will get this.
Yes.
Cancel. Now let's go to the next one. Yeah, single user workspace and multi-user workspace. We have two workspace. Let's write for you guys. Single user, multi-user. Okay, now what is SUT?
System under test.
System under test.
What is a system under test?
Anything that is being tested.
Which we are testing. Anything which we are testing.
Application which we are testing.
The system which we are trying to test, right? That is the SUT.
Yeah. Whether it is a
In
PDF
industry,
file.
they always refer as SUT only. They will call SUT. Okay?
Okay.
System under test. Then what is this? What are controls?
Every element.
Any element text, it is tab or button or link or text box, anything.
Yes. The drop-down options can be this is a control. This checkbox example, this is a control. This text box, this is a control, right? Whatever available on my SUT is a control only, right?
Yeah.
If somebody from Java script background, they will refer it as elements. In Selenium also yesterday we saw, right? Driver.find elements, right? In Selenium we refer it as element. They were trying to refer it as elements. Here it's a control. Alright? Okay. What is steering a control? What does it mean?
Means applying any action on control.
Yes.
Control, it means.
Any actions which we perform on controls is called steering a control. Right? Yeah. Then, okay, different sections in Tosca. This you need to remember. Can somebody please read this?
Modules, test case.
Mainly five sections are available. First one is
Modules.
Modules, then test cases, test case design, requirements, and execution. So now, are we in a better position to understand what is this exactly module section is? Right?
Yes.
Yeah, the standard modules and user-defined modules.
Yes, under module sections we have something called standard modules, which is already provided by Tricentis. Then, if you want to have another is user-defined modules, right? For SUT, we will create this. Okay, now different types of modules. Yeah, standard module, user-defined module. What is .tsc file is? What is .tsc file?
It is Tosca subset.
Yes, definitely. It is a Tosca subset. A question will be like, what will be the extension for Tosca subset? .tsu. Or you might ask you, what is .tsu file? The Tosca subset. Will be in either case. Okay. Then you tell me how to import standard module if it's not readily available.
You can go
to C folder.
Tosca. Okay. Now you tell me, how do I import? If I have not checked that option, how do I import now?
Go to the Tosca commander.
Okay, I'm already on Tosca commander. Then
Go to import subset.
yes, import subset. Okay, great. Then
And
C drive.
go to C drive.
exactly right.
Program files. etc.
Program
Tosca
file.
project.
Program files.
Tosca project.
No.
Yes.
Tosca
If somebody is
project. Yeah,
Tosca project.
program files, please. These are Tosca projects. Okay. Under this,
Tosca commander.
Commander.
Tosca commander. Then
Standard.
Standard.tsu.
Yeah. TS.
yes, standard.tsu file. This is the file we need to import. Okay. What is the other option while creating the workspace? Is there an option available while creating the workspace itself?
Click on the checkbox.
Yes.
Create new. Okay. Here, which option?
Use workspace template.
Exactly. Right. This also will refer to the same path. Cancel. Okay. Now you tell me what is XScan?
It identifies all the controls automatically.
To identify controls. Right. So where is it available? Where is my XScan is available?
It is either in the module or in the home page, home button.
Under?
You
Available
can
under?
right click the module.
No. This XScan is available under which section?
Module section.
Exactly. It's available under module section. Right here it is available under module section. Okay. So how do I launch XScan? Next question is. You said that XScan is available under module section. Then how do I launch it?
Right click
How do you
on
launch
on
extend?
modules.
Right click on modules. Okay, now
Scan.
attach file,
Can.
scan.
Application.
I don't want to do this. Then, is there any other option available?
On the home
Yeah.
home button.
Click on modules first.
Okay, click on modules. Yes, perfect. Okay,
Then
now home menu,
modules.
tools, modules. Okay, modules. Then
Scan.
scan. Right? This is the option. Okay, once I launch, what are the different ways to launch Xscan? There are two different ways. We learn that. Different scan views.
Basic.
Okay, once I launch the module, what are the different views available?
Basic.
Condensed.
It is detailed, basic, and advanced view.
Basic.
Condensed.
Basic. First one is basic. The second one is
Condensed.
Condensed.
Condensed view. I will write down for you guys. Okay, the first one is basic. Don't take it lightly. He might ask you anything, right? So that's why better you note it down.
Yeah.
Condensed view, right? Basic view. Condensed view. Then what is that third option we have?
Advanced.
Advanced.
Advanced. I think advanced will be the default option.
No, basic.
Condensed.
No, basic.
Basic, right?
Yeah.
So basic is the default option selected.
If you maximize the basic window,
Yes.
you will get all those.
Right. So the advanced option is, as name itself suggests, it's advanced. There we can see what are the elements we have selected, right? All the properties available. If something is not uniquely identified, then we can identify this uniquely, right? When I select a particular element, what should I check for? Let me select a particular element.
It's uniqueness. It's
Yes, uniqueness.
Yes.
Uniqueness we need to select. We need to check for uniqueness. It is uniquely available or not. Otherwise, if you select that control, while you run your test case, it will not steal. Right? Let's say this is the example, radio button 1. Radio button 1 was, initially this was not uniquely available, right?
Yeah, in
So
advanced,
for that, what did we do?
you can select its parent.
Radio 1, see here, if I click on this radio 1, here you can see the selected item is not unique. So for that, I need to make sure that this is unique,
So
right? So in my case, I am just selecting its parent and making it as a unique. So this is the very basic thing we need to check, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Where is my word? Okay. So any questions in or from this?
So basically, we have to mug up these things, MTS.
Sorry,
We
just
have to-
be little.
We have to mug up these things, is it?
It's not mug up. Okay. See, hereafter we will be always discussing about these things, right? We will be using these module sections, test cases, test case design. Okay. Just you need to go through this. It's very easy, right?
Yeah.
Since first time you are going through this new terminologies, right? So that is the reason you might be not feeling comfortable, right? Whenever that's the reason I'm asking you guys to take the notes so that you will be comfortable. Suddenly, if you go to interview and stand there, if you say something, what is standard module? If you have not practiced it, then we will not be able to say. First of all, we don't know what is module. Then what is the standard module? Definitely, we don't know. That is the reason I'm trying to explain in the very slow manner, right? And repeating many times so that you guys will get comfortable.
Yeah. Once you get to know the tool more often, you get to know this.
Right. Yeah. So when we start working on the Tosca, we'll get very comfortable in this.
Yeah, correct. So we can uninstall and install again after the 14th day, is it? The Tosca tool.
Yes, you need to try and tell me that if that works.
Okay.
maybe it should work. Okay. It should work, and I think there is a way to get our license extended, right?
Okay, we can go get crack code, is it?
Yes. We I think we can write an email to the Tricentis Tosca help desk team and request for extension.
Oh, is it? They are kind enough.
Right. So that part I will take care of that.
Okay.
Don't worry about that. See, just you guys just focus on these things, right? What and all we have studied, just go through this and try to understand. Since we don't use the code, it doesn't mean that it is very easy, and it also doesn't mean that it is very difficult. It's all about practice.
Yeah, familiarity. Yeah.
Just practice, right?
Yeah.
Yesterday you might have thought that okay, I will go with the Tosca only, not Selenium, since it is codeless. But here we need practice, and there are so many features available within the Tosca. We need to learn those things, and definitely we will learn it.
There's one question in practice page. Can you
Yeah.
the practice page? So in this, we can see radio button, drop down, checkbox. So is it the same type of design that has in UI, or is it different? The design.
I didn't get you actually. Yeah, we have
like in let's say registration form, you have names, address, PIN code, and
right. Okay, download Tricentis Tosca on this page. Okay. Yeah. So here I have. Yeah. Here is email address.
Yes.
Here is the name. Yeah.
See, the design is in this page is different. Will it be same in the test page?
Let's go and check. Let's inspect. See here. This should be a text box, right? And text box, it should be an input element. So see here, this is input, right?
Yeah.
So input means we can enter something, the text field it is. So UI looks little different, but internally all about HTML tags only.
Yeah, the type will be the same. If it is a password,
Yes.
it will be a password type.
UI is little different, but all about that tags only. So that is the reason this guy has made all the options available here. All the elements or controls available here. That's the reason I was referring to this. These are the same thing. Here this is a drop down. This must be a select class as per HTML.
Okay,
Yes,
the design
yeah.
will be same then.
Yes, here. It's a drop down option, right? This is a select class. This is HTML tag actually.
The skeleton will be the same of HTML.
Yes, exactly.
Only the
Whatever the
CSS
technology comes,
makes
HTML tags only they need to use.
only the CSS makes it look different.
Yes. So, okay, I will cover, I think, on these tags also. Otherwise, I will help you with some documents, right? Just after looking into these tags, you should understand, okay, this is a drop-down option. If input means, okay, there is a text box, like that, right?
Yeah.
And here also, if you look at, you inspect this, definitely it should be a select class only, right? Here you can see.
Yeah.
Select class. Right, and if we start working on the Tosca, there we'll learn how to inspect these elements. Pass the select control, then ID. This will make more comfortable while locating the element while you are working on Selenium. This will clear all your doubts.
Okay.
Right? If you want, you can. In console also, you should try this. In console also, you can pass. This element and check it.
So while practicing, we can create on demo page, something like that.
While practicing, yeah. See, out of your interest, while in our Tosca, directly Tosca itself will state this object. It will locate all the controls. But out of your interest, you can always go ahead and click on that. Right click on your browser, inspect, okay, then choose the particular element, right? You try to locate the element. Control F on this inspect element thing, we just Control F, try to give double slash and see, this is the select class, right? So give the select class, you need to practice this. While learning Selenium, you will deep dive into this.
Okay,
But
okay.
before that, if you are interested, you can practice like this.
Okay.
But Tosca will do this part for us. It will automatically take care of this.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything? Any other questions from anybody else?
No.
All right. Any questions, Junaid?
No, nothing from my side.
All right. In that case, okay. Shall we close for the day?
Yes, it is
Yeah, sure.
great.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. All right. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank
Thanks.
you. Yeah,
So
bye.
next we will connect on
Yeah. When do you guys want to connect?
tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Are you guys available in the evening? I mean, evening. What time you guys are free?
Anytime after 5 or 6.
After 5 p.m.
Yeah. IST.
Yeah, that's what. Okay, all right. I will plan and send you the link. All right.
Sure.
All right. Yes. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.